Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be about how much it costs to live downtown Toronto. I filmed a house tour and a lot of the comments on that house tour were asking like how much rent is and how much it costs to live downtown Toronto, so I thought I would film a separate video addressing said matter. So here it is. So for rent, if you haven't already seen our house tour, you can go click it here later, open new tab, you know. And I personally pay half. Ethan pays the other half, obviously. So out of my account, that is $925 on rent every month. We got, honestly, a really good deal with the landlords. So we have a very good priced condo for this area and honestly this building and just a 1-bedroom apartment in general. So typically, I'd say it's around $2,200 a month for regular people, but our apartment costs $1,850. So divided by 2, that's $925 for me. And then my phone bill is $90 a month, which is quite pricey and quite heartbreaking, but it is what it is, unlimited data, you know what I mean? I also do yoga and I have a yoga membership, so every month I pay for that, and it is $100 a month, so that also is an unlimited yoga membership, so that's pretty good. And then for groceries, it is quite more affordable for Ethan and I because we eat veggie, so we don't really have meat, which is quite expensive. We do buy expensive high ticket items like almond butter and hemp seeds and random healthy people shit, so that adds up in cost. But I'd say on average every week we spend $100-ish on groceries, sometimes a little bit more, sometimes a little bit less. We kind of take turns going on and off who pays for groceries, so I personally pay around $200 a month in groceries. Also, this video is kind of interesting because I get to see what I spend in a month. It's a little scary, a little I don't want to know, but it's probably a good exercise. I definitely recommend you try it just because I feel like you should know where your money's going. So I calculated and looked on my banking app to see how much I've spent on takeaway food in the last month, and it was a total of $161.50. I pay more for takeaway food than I do for a week of groceries, so that's nice. To be honest, I don't pay for the hydro and Wi-Fi and stuff. That goes to Ethan's account, but he says that our hydro for again this 500-ish square feet apartment is $50 a month, but we also never use heating or AC, so that honestly really helps. We also rarely have the lights on because I don't know why I have a thing with lights. I really prefer natural lighting, so I always have the lights off. The only thing that really is costing us money for the hydro is the washer dryer and the dishwasher, so that all comes to around $50 a month. And then I believe our Wi-Fi is also around $50 a month. So we're gonna calculate this all up to see how much it costs to live downtown Toronto. So all that comes to $1,450, and again, this is all cut in half because I do share a home with Ethan. So for a 1-bedroom, downtown Toronto, it's quite expensive, but I do really like our neighborhood, so I'll say that. And honestly, I like living here. There's so much to do. I like being surrounded by people, which honestly sometimes I don't, but I do like having so many options of restaurants, and everywhere is accessible without a car, which is really great, so we don't have to pay for that. We don't have to pay for parking, we don't have to pay for insurance or having a car or any of that, which is really great. I also work 5-minute walk away from our house, and so I don't need to pay for public transportation, whereas other people may. So that makes it a lot more affordable. But basically for me, this is how much it costs me to live downtown Toronto, and then the rest of money that I spend is just on random shit like going shopping or the $161 on takeout food. So it costs just around $1,500 to live downtown Toronto for one person paying half of everything. Otherwise, you're paying $3,000 a month. So that is something to keep in mind should you want to move here. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up if I informed you on how much we pay for rent, which I did, so give it a thumbs up. And I will see you next Sunday.